It's been going a couple of years. It's not a very easy business anymore. When we started it, it wasn't too bad. Now we have 7 bakeries to compete against. 3 are the big ones, Sesco, Blue Ribbon and Albany, and then a whole lot of little Indian bakeries that have started up. So we bake around about 400 loaves a night, and then a lot of cakes, and these typical African type of cakes, the ones they like, scones, muffins, snowballs they call them. We sell them at the schools in the area, and the bread we supply to different little Pakistani shops. The Pakistanis own all the little shops in these villages. Pakistanis, Ethiopians and Somalians, they're the shop owners. So we sell to them, and then people also come and buy here from our little shop. I think if we can do what Bulembu does, and I heard from James there that they've got a small shop in Pigs Peak, and that has increased their turnover dramatically. So we're looking for a little place down at the plaza, there where you turned. If we can get something there, there's a huge buying power in that area. But for a 220 square meter shop, John, you won't guess what they want. In that area.
Well, the garage,
yeah. What would you think?
The square meter. I don't know, what's...
How much?
5 to 10,000?
22,000 excluding tax, excluding water and electricity. So you're going to come to about 28,000 a month. It's ridiculous. I thought you pay that in a big mall in the city.
For 220 square meters.